Welcome back to episode 2. In this episode I make some good progress. I'll build the base of the slide-in, I'll build the front support bulkhead wall, and I'll attach the two sides and front wall to the base. After measuring the truck bed accurately and drawing out my plan, I cut out my plywood base and assemble. I used a generous amount of wood glue and tacked the pieces together with a pin nailer. Once the pieces were aligned, I screwed them together. Make sure your base is as plumb and square as possible. These supports will help carry some of the weight above and stiffen up the base. The front wall will support most of the weight while using the bed in the camper. I used 3/8 plywood and 2x2 material to give it extra strength and rigidity. I felt the camper needed a second exit, or at least be able to access the back seat of the truck. I will tackle finishing that out in a later video. Once I determined the 4 pieces would fit together correctly, I glued and screwed them together. The front portion of the camper also has 3/8 plywood for a little added protection from road debris. After letting the glue dry, I use my grinder and flapper disc to even out all the seams. All of these edges will be sealed and covered with 1x1 inch aluminum L metal down the road. Now let's flip the camper over and prep for the cab over or bed portion of the camper. I'm fairly confident that this will hold the weight of 2 people. The bed will be positioned lengthwise, not side to side, so the majority of the weight will be on the front wall. Feel free to comment below if you think it's going to work or not. We'll find out soon. Here I'm adding some bumper trim to finish out the front wall. This will help protect the seams, and I'll seal it along the edges. I feel like we made pretty good progress in this episode. Stay tuned for a couple clips of the next episode, and thanks for watching.